Hello guys, in this session we will understand how to write Python program for swapping of two numbers using 5 different techniques. Let us start the first technique. Open a new file, swap1.py. So this technique demonstrates the swapping of two numbers with using temporary variable. Swap using temporary variable. To perform this operation, let us take two input variables. A is equal to int of input of enter A. Read another variable B is equal to int of input of enter B. Now perform the swapping operation by taking temporary variable t. T is assigned with A assigned with B, and B assigned with T. These three statements perform the swapping operation. Now we test the values of A and B after swapping. Print A is equal to A, print B is equal to B. So now we execute the program. By selecting swap1.py, run the program. Let us enter A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Now the value of A is assigned with 3 and B is assigned with 2 after performing swapping operation. So this is the first technique to swap two variables A and B by using temporary variable. Next, start the second technique, swapping of two numbers without using temporary variable. Swap2.py. So in this technique, we will perform swapping operation without using temporary variable through additions and subtractions. Swapping of two variables without using temporary variable. Let us read two inputs. A is equal to int of input of enter A, and also read input B, int of input of enter B. Now perform the swapping operation through additions and subtractions on A and B. A is equal to A plus B, B is equal to A minus B, A is equal to A minus B. Let us print the results after performing swapping operation. After swapping operation, print A value, print A is equal to A, print B is equal to B. Change the configurations to swap5, swap2.py, run the program, enter the A value, B value. So without using temporary variable also, the swapping operation successfully executed. Let us go for the third technique, swapping of two variables without using temporary variable through additions and subtractions, but we will take this additions and subtraction in different way as compared with the second technique. Let us open a new file, swap3.py. This technique also swaps two variables without using temporary variable. As usual, read two inputs. A is equal to int of input of, enter A. B is equal to int of input of, enter B. Now perform the swapping operations. A is equal to B minus A, B is equal to B minus A is equal to B plus A. So the above three statements perform the swapping of A and B values. Let us print the result. After swapping, print A is equal to A, print B is equal to B. Change the configurations to swap3.py. Run the program. Enter the A value is equal to 2, B value is equal to 3. So swapping operation is successfully performed. Let us go for the fourth technique. This technique also swaps two variable values without using temporary variable. Instead of using additions and subtractions, in this technique we will use multiplication and division on A and B. Let us open a new file. Save the file as swap4.py. Swapping of two variable without using temporary variable. Read two inputs. A is equal to int of input of, enter A. Read B value. B is equal to int of input of, enter B. Now perform swapping operations. A is equal to A star B, B is equal to A by B, and A is equal to A by B. Let us print the results. Print after swapping, print A is equal to A, print B is equal to B. Change the configurations to swap4.py. Run the program. Enter A value 2, B value 3. So now the value of A and B changed to 3 and 2. Let us take the another technique to swap two variables without using temporary variable, but in this technique bitwise XOR operation is applied on A and B. Open a new file, swap5.py. Swapping of two variables with bitwise XOR operation. As usual, read A value using input function, read B value using input function, perform swapping operations using XOR operation. A is equal to A XOR B, B is equal to A XOR B. Next, A is equal to A XOR B again. Now print the results after swapping logic. Print A value, print B value. So now change the configurations to swap5.py. Run the program. Enter A value 2, B value 3. So after performing swapping operations with bitwise XOR operation, A value changed to 3 and B value changed to 2. So these 5 techniques are applicable to perform swapping of two variable values with using temporary variables and without using temporary variables. Thank you for learning these programs.